Hey Oscar, so I think this is your Facebook page. Um, Going to Google, typing in Riff for Hammond, Louisiana. First thing would be ads up here, then the GMB, then organic ranking. I'm gonna grab this guy right here. It looks like he is service location pages, so looks like he goes throughout Louisiana. He's got 501 words of content on his page. So I'd have 1,000 probably on yours, or the more content you have, the better. Google loves content. Then with images, you'd want these saved with keywords. You won't want it saved like this. You'd want it saved Hammond roof repair or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for on Google. Tossing this guy into Ahrefs. I did this whole domain, UR of 9, DR of 28, 2,910 backlinks, 296 referring domains, 1,300 keywords, and he gets 1,600 people to his website a month. But you can come in here and you can grab the backlinks that he has as well. I just kind of copy them. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you get high DR and high UR. You don't want to go for the spammy low numbers. You don't want to get single digits. I want to go for the higher number ones, as well as you want to make sure they're relevant to industry. You don't want to go grab content or backlinks from content that isn't relevant to the roofing industry. So you won't want like fast food linking back to you. You'd want something related to roofing. Otherwise, it's just not going to give you as much strength. But we can come in here. If we like that backlink, we can check out how we got this. This is just an advertising right there. He paid to get on this page. But we can go check out other ones. Those are directories right there. Yellow page is a directory, but let's say we like this one. We can see how we got this. Right there. So this is probably just another directory as well. But yeah, you can go in there, go through all those backlinks, copy the ones you like, and then go to other competitors and grab those backlinks as well. You can also do blog commenting, guest posts, blogs, news articles, basically anything that will link back to you. But you want to make sure you don't get spammy backlinks, and you also want to make sure it's relevant to industry. But let's go in here and check out this guy's keywords. So obviously he ranks for himself right away. But let's see, roof repair, Baton Rouge. If you want to rank for that in that city, he gets 300 volume, 10 KD. So that would be a pretty easy one to rank for. Roofing company, Baton Rouge again, 250, 15 KD, a little bit harder. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. Roofers, New Orleans. There we go. That one's a pretty nice one. 100 volume, 3 KD. So that would be super easy to rank for and start getting that traffic. Roofing repair, Baton Rouge, 200 volume, 15 KD. So that one, again, it's a little bit harder, but you can definitely rank for it. Let's see. Awnings, Baton Rouge. If you do awnings, 90 volume, 0 KD, very easy to rank for. Roof for New Orleans, 80 and 5. Metal roofing, Baton Rouge. If you do metal roofing in that area, 80 and 10. Roof, oh, nope, that's not location specific. You could go for that near me. But it would be a national keyword. So you wouldn't expect to get all that volume. You'd get quite a bit less. But you could always put that in there if you wanted to. But I think there's enough keywords out here that you would want to go for them. Roofing contractor Hammond right there. 100 people searched that a month. And 6 KD, so that would be pretty easy to rank for. But yeah, you can just come in here and find all the ones you want. Obviously, if you do siding, vinyl right there, 60 and 0. Gutters, Baton Rouge, that would be a good one right there if you do gutters. Here's another area where you can just come in here and find all the ones you want and put them on your website either through images or in your content and start ranking for them. Next thing would be the GMB. Go into it. This guy, you want to make sure you have one set up. It's free. Google will just send you a postcard to verify your address. You want to make sure you set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then for content-wise, it would be photos. The more photos you have, the better. You want to make sure there's keywords in the photos as well. And then next would be citations. So this guy, I'm still searching. Let's see if it's found anything. This thing's been acting kind of goofy for me lately. But basically, citations are just directories. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, yeah, it's not found anything yet. But I think the thing's not really working. It hasn't really worked all day today. But anyways, citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, anything like that. You want to make sure you have your name and your GMB the exact same for the directory, your phone number, and then location. And that's how you get a citation for that. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and have a good rest of your day.